US President Donald Trump on Thursday signed a major executive order on artificial intelligence, a move aimed at creating one national standard that overrides the growing patchwork of state-level AI laws. The White House says the order will help block what it calls onerous state regulations, though rules protecting children online will still be allowed. Tech giants including OpenAI, Google and Meta have been pushing for federal oversight, while several states insist they need the power to regulate AI on their own. Listening to US President Trump.
We have a big signing right now, and we have a tremendous industry where we're leading by a lot. It's the AI, artificial intelligence. I always thought it should be SI, supreme intelligence. It's a massive industry. We're leading China, we're leading everybody by a tremendous amount. The electricity is being built by them in every plant. They're building the electricity. We're getting them rapid approvals. But they're spending trillions of dollars. We want to have one central source of approval. And we have, I think, great Republican support. I think we probably have Democrat support too, because it's common sense.
And in corporate news, Oracle shares plunged more than 16% on Thursday, triggering a wider sell-off in tech stocks. Now investors are raising concerns about the company's massive AI spending and the lack of a clear timeline on when those investments will start to pay off.
Shares of Oracle slumped as much as 16.5% Thursday morning as fresh worries over the company's hefty spending on artificial intelligence sparked fears of an AI bubble. If the losses hold, Oracle would shed more than $90 billion in market value. The tech giant a day earlier forecast sales and profit that missed Wall Street estimates. It also warned that it would likely spend $15 billion more than planned in order to attract AI cloud computing customers. Investors saw it as a sign that the massive amounts of money Oracle is pouring into its AI efforts is not turning into profit as fast as Wall Street had hoped. Oracle's warnings come amid investor fears of a broader AI bubble stoked by sky-high valuations, limited real-world productivity gains, and complex circular investments, even as companies raise billions in debt to build AI infrastructure. In a bid to compete with industry giants like Amazon, Microsoft, and Google, Oracle has signed cloud computing deals with OpenAI and others, which has helped its stock climb nearly 34% this year. Analysts have said a big portion of Oracle's spending is tied to OpenAI-related data centers. Oracle's 5-year credit default swaps, which offer bondholders a hedge against default, have shot to record highs as it borrows heavily for the data center build-out. Oracle's gloomy forecasts drag down shares of other tech stocks, with NVIDIA, Micron, and CoreWeave all lower in Thursday morning trading.
Walt Disney will invest $1 billion in OpenAI and allow the startup to use iconic characters from Star Wars, Pixar and Marvel in its Sora AI video generator. It's a landmark deal that could reshape how Hollywood creates content. Take a look.
Walt Disney announced a deal with OpenAI that will let users of its Sora AI video generator make videos with characters from Star Wars, Pixar, and other movie franchises. Disney is also investing $1 billion in OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT. The 3-year partnership could reshape how Hollywood makes content. It also sidesteps the industry's concerns over the impact of AI on creative jobs and intellectual property rights. Disney CEO Bob Iger told CNBC the agreement gives users access to 300 of its characters, but not to any talent likenesses or voices. He added, quote, "Through this collaboration with OpenAI, we will thoughtfully and responsibly extend the reach of our storytelling through generative AI, while respecting and protecting creators and their works." According to one person familiar with the matter, Iger and OpenAI's Sam Altman began talking years ago to explore more ways to showcase the potential of generative AI when combined with Disney's characters and stories. As part of the agreement with OpenAI, a selection of the videos by users will be made available for streaming on Disney+. That will allow Disney to capitalize on the growing appeal for short-form video content. The companies will use OpenAI's models to build new products and customer experiences, including for Disney Plus subscribers, while Disney will deploy ChatGPT for its employees. The partnership comes months after creative artists agency, Hollywood's premier talent agency, criticized OpenAI for exposing artists to significant risk through Sora and questioning if creative professionals would be compensated for their work.